Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome, fellow gearheads. Today, I'm unveiling the ultimate list, the world's top 5 best spark plugs for the 5.7 Vortec engine. From performance to longevity, we've got you covered. Stick around for expert insights. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more updates. Let's dive in. Number 1. 6.3 Auto 16 PC NGK Aridium 9 Spark Plugs, engineered for peak performance in your Ram 1500 5.7L V8 engine. Crafted with NGK's renowned Aridium 9 technology, these spark plugs ensure optimal ignition, enhancing fuel efficiency and engine power. With a precision-engineered design, they guarantee long-lasting durability and consistent performance, even under extreme conditions. Upgrade your driving experience with these premium spark plugs, offering reliability and performance that you can trust. Dominate the road with 6.3 Auto's NGK Aridium 9 Spark Plugs. Number 2. Introducing Overstock Direct's genuine LZFR5CI11 Laser Aridium Spark Plugs. Engineered for optimal performance and durability, these spark plugs ensure consistent ignition for your vehicle. With laser-welded iridium center electrodes, they offer superior conductivity and heat resistance, extending engine life. The tapered ground electrode design enhances fuel efficiency and reduces emissions. Ideal for various makes and models, these plugs are a reliable choice for any automotive enthusiast. Upgrade your engine's performance with Overstock Direct's genuine LZFR5CI11 spark plugs today. Number 3. TRQ Aridium Spark Plugs Engine Tune-Up Ignition Kit, a comprehensive 16-piece set designed to revitalize your engine's performance. Crafted with premium materials, these spark plugs ensure reliable ignition, enhanced fuel efficiency, and smoother acceleration. With precise engineering, they offer extended durability, lasting longer between replacements. Compatible with a wide range of vehicles, this kit provides easy installation, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics alike. Elevate your driving experience with TRQ's unparalleled quality and performance. Upgrade your engine today for optimal power and efficiency. Number 4. NGK's set of 16 Aridium 9 spark plugs, designed specifically for Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram vehicles with 5.7L and 6.4L V8 engines. These premium spark plugs ensure maximum performance and efficiency, offering improved throttle response and fuel economy. With their fine-tipped iridium construction, they provide exceptional durability and longevity, making them a cost-effective choice for engine maintenance. Experience smoother starts, enhanced acceleration, and optimal combustion with NGK's Aridium 9 spark plugs. Upgrade your engine's ignition system today for peak performance on and off the road. Number 5. ENA set of 16 spark plugs, your engine's new best friend. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, these spark plugs are compatible with a wide range of vehicles, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. Engineered to ignite your engine with maximum power and efficiency, ENA spark plugs boast a longer lifespan, saving you time and money on replacements. With easy installation and a perfect fit, you can trust ENA to keep your ride running smoothly mile after mile. Say goodbye to engine misfires and hello to peak performance with the ENA set of 16 spark plugs. In conclusion, selecting the best spark plugs for your 5.7 Vortec engine is crucial for optimal performance. Whether you prioritize longevity, efficiency, or power, there's a plug out there tailored to your needs. Experiment with different options and find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more updates and videos.